1, 2, 3, come on!
Guys, now time to introduce you to our teams. So first we have Team A. There's Team A and it comprises of cousin number 5
and 2.
So we have cousin number 5 and 2 paired up as Team A. So Team A, move a little bit to the side, and now we have Team B. So Team B comprises of cousin number 3 and 4. So cousin number 3 and 4 are paired up as Team B. So we have Team A and Team B. So may the best team win. Okay, now again for round 2, we have Team A coming in first. So Team A, as you listened to the music last time and you picked up the chit, both of you are going to switch and do the opposite things. Wait, 1 minute, I have to just play
The music?
another really loud song. Okay, so this time I think I'll be playing How Far I'll Go from Moana. I just 1 minute. How Far I'll Go, I forgot by who it was sung. Ollie Cravalho. I don't know if I said it right, but I guess that is her name, something close to that. So now the music is playing. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, it's shown that she cannot hear me. You can pick another chit. Pick up a chit, quick. Are you done? Okay, it looks like she got a sentence. It looks pretty long. Okay, wait. Don't read it out. Let me show it to the camera first. So, this is the sentence. It's also pretty good, but the last word is a little tough to guess. It rhymes with many other words. So, again, there's another look of the chit. So, you try to read it out. Okay? Now, I think cousin number 5 is too intended to the video of okay, just a minute. I think cousin number 5 is too intended to the video. She's too attracted towards it, and so that's why we didn't ask her to turn around, if you were just wondering. So you have another minute to do it. So
She ate all the toffee.
She blah blah blah.
She ate all the toffee.
She ate all the cookies,
Toffee.
chockies.
She ate all the toffees.
Toffees. She ate all the toffees.
Correct. She got
That
the
was just so close. They were 54 seconds in. There were just 6 seconds left. I thought they could not do it this round, but they did it. Congratulations, Team A. You are
Thank you.
at 2 points, and now let's get in Team B to see if they can tie up with Team A. So, Team B, come on in. Okay, now Team B, come on in quick. Okay, so as I choose your song, I'm putting Feel the Light by Jennifer Lopez. So it's from the movie Home. If you have not watched it, it's a really good movie. So now, okay, you're going to have the headphones on, right? Okay. Now, okay, you need to turn back. You can pick up a chip quick. Did it start? Is it playing? Oh wait, just a minute. It will play in a minute. Okay, you cannot look. Please try me. Please try me. Okay, so this is her sentence, I believe. This is one of the longest sentences that I wrote. So here you go. Try to make her guess it. Is it playing? Okay. That's a good sign. Now you people have 1 minute to do it. I hope you do it quick. Okay, start in 3, 2, 1, go.
This soft ball
did not bounce. This soft ball did not bounce. Soft ball did not bounce.
The
Soft ball did not bounce.
I'm not able to hear you.
This soft ball did not bounce.
The soft
Ball did not bounce.
the soft ball
The soft ball did not bounce.
the soft ball got burst.
Okay, and time's up. Time's up. This was one of the funniest rounds that we had. Please read out the correct
The
sentence.
soft ball did not bounce.
She wanted the soft ball to burst apparently, but it did not. It did not bounce was the actual sentence. So
It was really very loud.
that is the exact point of this challenge. But anyways, okay, I'm sorry Team B, but you do not receive a point. So
okay.
now
We'll try
again,
next time.
that's a good spirit.
Who do you think will win? Stay tuned till our next video to find out.
Team A and Team B. So the mystery box goes.